Look what arrived yesterday from family in the UK. Came to visit me in Italy, and it says roses all my life, completely exactly what my life is about. This is a David Austin, Emma Bridgewater mug, lovely china. Look at the rose on there, the beautiful old rose. And surprisingly, just this morning, I posted this found rose in almost exactly the same shade of mauvey, pinky, magenta. And I don't know who she is. That's her spent rose, that's her bud, that's her leaf, and that's her gorgeous, gorgeous tousled, perfumed, heavy perfume, strong perfume. I don't know who she is. Somebody's going to let me know. But I'm so thrilled with my mug. I'm about to make tea in it. Look how stunning this mug is. Emma Bridgewater was contracted by David Austin Roses to create these beautiful tea mugs, and I couldn't be more thrilled. It arrived yesterday as a gift, and look what else. The newest book from David Austin, English Roses, a big fat edition. It's the latest, revised and updated, and always in this gorgeous magenta pink. It's so weird how, sometimes themes come. So I'm just going to quickly flick through for you, and you'll see some of your favorites. But I couldn't be more delighted, really, if I tried. You'll be able to let me know if you see your favorite. So beautiful. Oh, gosh. So in the morning now, this is what I do when I have my tea. I absolutely indulge myself with these absolutely gorgeous English roses, old roses, heritage roses, whatever you want to call them. Some of them antique roses, which are my absolute favorites. Sir Walter Scott Rosemore. You'll see your favorite. Latterly, there's the beautiful Elizabeth, which has all the ingredients of a proper rose. In other words, she's highly scented, she has lovely form, disease resistant, and all the things we want in a rose. Lady of Minnick, I'm wondering if this could be, no, I don't think it's mauve enough, but it's a possibility. The leaves are wrong though. But sometimes leaves can deceive you. Anyway, you're going to let me know if you know what this rose is. So here's all the beauties. Jude the Obscure, England's Rose, which I'd love. Lovely perfume, elegantine, always wanted it. Comment if you have any of these. Darcy Brussels, Silk Charles Rennie Mackintosh has always been a rose I've desired greatly. I love its form. Old rose hybrids, those are what we've just seen. Oh gosh, so beautiful. Look at them. Oh, and then roses in arrangements here. Look at these beautiful old roses. Anyway, I can't get enough. So this is all English roses in the garden, the formal rose gardens, and then the English rose garden, just informal and sweet. Oh. Anyway, if you've been to David Austin Roses in Shropshire in England, then let me know. I want to know. I've scheduled a visit one of these years. I will eventually get there. That's the typical English informal garden with the beautiful foxgloves. Yeah, I don't know how I could ever. Oh, anyway, I'm going to indulge in this book for the next few weeks. I'm going to be just immersed in roses. I'm going to be drinking tea out of my beautiful new David Austin mug. And yeah, looking forward to your comments as to what the found rose may be. But there we are. Queen of Sweden, another rose I adore. Roald Dahl, a rose I have always wanted. Septile, which is fabulous. Skylark. Tea Clipper, a big blousy rose that is such a gorgeous color. The Pilgrim, which I had, and sadly we lost her in a drought, or in an intense heat. I don't know if it was really a drought. Yes, absolutely loved her, but unfortunately I don't have her anymore. The Lark Ascending, the Wedgwood Rose, isn't she absolutely the delicacy of the outer petals, which are much lighter than the inner. Tranquility, one of my favorite roses, quite similar to my beautiful albas. White roses are always my favorite, and Tranquility is a perfect example of a perfect white rose, and quite similar to my Madame La Grace, which I adore. Wild Eve, always desired, huge big rose. William and Catherine, a recent rose, honored like the York rose, the white rose, to honor their marriage. Often the royals are involved in the naming of roses. Good. The English Alba hybrids, so I mentioned that I love Albas, and quite often they have been bred from the original Albas, which were the original roses. Scarborough Fair is beautiful. Lady's Blush. Imogen. Oh, I love Imogen too. I love white roses, love pale roses. Lochinvar, which is the mountains in Scotland, and that's such a baby pink rose. Kew Gardens, Old Form, simple rose. So these are Alba hybrids. Thomas à Becket, adore. I've had Thomas à Becket. Lovely rose. Tam O'Shanter. Princess Anne. This one looks quite similar. Don't know when this was bred. Maybe you can let me know. Maybe Princess Anne is it. Let's see. Okay, let's keep going. And I'm going to be talking about, there's the wonderful David Austin. Sadly, he passed away, but the legacy lives on. And yeah, so I'm going to see you. You're going to tell me. The Generous Gardener, a rose I've always adored. The Abington Rambler, which is a wonderful climber on a cottage. And Snow Goose. Love this rose. Old form. It's similar to Francine Austin. Pom-pom flowers. Love Snow Goose. Mortimer Sackler, huge big rose. Malvern Hills. These are climbers. Claire Austin, isn't she absolutely stunning? Okay, so, and of course arrived the newest handbook with all the catalogue of all the roses that I might want and love, and probably will pore over and decide if I want to get. Oh, this is such a temptation. Look, I love the back because it's all color coded. Look, so you see all the roses and you can choose which shade of pink or buff or yellow. You can choose whether you want roses that love half shade or full sun or all of that. Can't wait. Going to be there poring over this latest 2004 catalogue, the Handbook of Roses 2024, and this exquisite David Austin English Roses book, brought to me as a gift with my beautiful Emma Bridgewater David Austin mug, and this found rose which smells like heaven, that intense spicy old smell. So you'll let me know, won't you? See you on the next one. Bye.